Welcome to our guide on logging into and navigating the Logistifie Driver app. Today, we'll walk you through the login process and highlight the key features available once you're logged in. Let's get started. First, open the Logistifie Driver app. To log in, select Driver and enter your subscriber ID and phone number. Once you complete the login process, you'll be directed to the app's main dashboard. Here, you'll see two main sections: Jobs Offered and Accepted Jobs. This is where you can view and manage your job assignments. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between different tabs: Home, Completed, Statement, and Profile. In the Profile section, you'll find all your driver details, including driver documents, vehicle documents, and other vehicle-related information. You can also switch between languages to suit your preference. Additionally, in the Profile section, you'll find essential policies and settings such as terms and conditions, privacy policy, GPS tracking policy, and the Help Us Contact Us option. You also have the option to log out here. After logging out as a driver, you can log in as a partner by entering your username and password. You'll have access to similar settings and features as those available to drivers. And that's a wrap. You're now ready to navigate the Logistifie Driver app and make the most of its features. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and updates. See you next time.